Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about cyber security. From today, we learn a new topic, that is word processor. Today we will see the basic introduction to MS Word. So, the contents we will cover are as follows. First one is introduction, after that MS Word basics, then editing documents, formatting text and pages, working with tables, and at last advanced operation. Today I will cover only these two: introduction about the word processor and the basics of MS Word. So let's start. So what do you mean by word processor? Word processor is a software package that enables to create, edit, print and save documents for future retrieval and reference. It means that with the help of word processor, we can write applications, essays, or any document that you want. The key advantage of a word processor is its ability to make changes easily. For example, correct spelling, delete unwanted items, formatting of the text as well as the document, and many more. Microsoft Word is a widely used commercial word processor designed by Microsoft. Okay? MS Word is a part of the bigger package called MS Office. You heard about that, and I think everyone have installed this MS Office package into his or her laptop or computer. In fact, when you open up MS Office, you will find four main components in it. They are MS Word, used for word processing, MS Excel for spreadsheet, MS Access for database management, and MS PowerPoint for presentation purposes. In CBSE 9th class course, you have to study MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So let's start. The basics of MS Word. The first question arises that how to open the MS Word. In my laptop, I have installed MS Office 2007. Okay? So how I will open? There are many ways, and also it is based upon the operating system you installed. Okay? But the normal ways is click the start button, go to the all programs, and after that click on Microsoft Office and then click MS Word 2007. Other than this, there is an icon on your desktop, okay, through which you can also start the Word application. MS Word will open a blank page called Document 1. So the window will look like this. There are various things in it. We will cover everything one by one. So start with the introduction. There will be a File tab in 2003 version, but 2007 onwards there will be a icon through which these properties of files can be seen. Other than this, there are 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View in a ribbon. Okay, this area is known as ribbon. Clear? This is the quick access toolbar. Whatever the functionality you have chosen frequently can be stored here. This button is for help. Whatever the properties seen here are lesser, and if you want more properties in it, you have to click on this button known as Dialog Box Launcher. Here the status bar, which shows how many words, characters, how many pages are already saved. This vacant area are the document area where you write anything. Next one is view button. What it is? It is for representation, how you want to look your document in your computer. And this one is the zoom control. Clear? If you want the size of the text lesser or bigger, then through this ruler you can drag accordingly. So, as I have told that the Microsoft Office button have many things that are new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish and close option. The ribbon, as I already told, the ribbon is the panel above the document. It has 7 tabs. Each tab is divided into groups. I will discuss each of them in a separate video. So here the collection of some points that have covered in these 7 tabs. What they are? In Home, you can see the fonts property through which you can change the fonts, paragraph, style and editing properties. With the help of Insert tab, you can insert tables, pages, header and footers, symbols, pictures in your document. Page layout. It is used for presentation of your page when you print the document. References, as the name suggests, if you want to add bibliography, caption, index, then the option will be given in References tab. Mailings are used to mail that document, okay, and all the properties are in that tab. Review is used for proofing, spellings and grammars checking, protect the document. All these functionality will be given on Review tab. View tab is used to how you want to look that document. So I will cover each of them one by one. Don't worry. So firstly, what is the cursor? The cursor is a short vertical flashing line on your screen. Okay? Look like this, through which you can write from this position. Okay? The cursor shows you where you will start typing in a Word document. And whenever you move your mouse to a particular tool, that cursor will transform into a arrow, and that arrow is known as pointer. Next one is scrolling. Your scroll bar is at the right hand side of your screen, through which you can up and down your document. Okay? Again, I am going to show you. This is known as scrolling bar, vertical scrolling bar and horizontal scrolling bar. Okay? How you select the document? To select a word, simply double click on that word. To select a paragraph, triple click within the paragraph. And to select the entire document, you can use a shortcut key, that is Ctrl A. And the vice versa, to deselect the particular word, paragraph or document, click your mouse on any white part of the page. I think it is very clear. Very basic thing I am covering here. Now, how to create a new document? Simply click on Microsoft Office button, go to the New option and click Blank Document. Simple. Next one, opening an existing document. You have already created the document. Now, after some days, you want to open an existing document. So how it will be happen? Again, click on Microsoft Office button, go to Open option and then choose from the list in your computer. When you want to save the document, you have to click Microsoft Office button, then click on Save or Save As option. Other than this, you can also choose a shortcut key Ctrl S on the keyboard. And the last one is how to close a document. Click on Microsoft Office button and then go to the Close option. Other than this, there are a lot of option to do these things. I am just saying the basic rule. Some of the more useful new features accessed via the Office button are prepare and publish. So what they are? When you have finished writing or editing your document and you are ready to send it to someone else, there are plenty of options here. Okay? Like the document you prepared are only for read, or read and write both. The document are encrypted form. Okay? Password protected, and so on. For these type of functionality, you can go with prepare and publish option. Okay? So that's all for today. Today we learned about the introduction to word processor. What do you mean by word processor? And the basics of MS Word. In the next class, we will start MS Word Home tab in detail. What are the functionality available in the tab known as Home? Okay? So, I am going to give you a quick view of MS Word. The MS Word will look like this. Okay? There are 7 tabs, Home, in which various functionality are there. What they are, I will discuss it. Same in Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review and View. This is Cursor, where you can write anything. I am a student. Okay? To select a particular word, you have to double click. If you want to select the whole paragraph, triple click. Okay? This is the scrolling bar. This is known as ruler, from where you want the printing will be done. Look like this. Ruler can be hide using this button. See here. If you click again, the ruler will come back. Okay? This is Office button, in which whatever I covered today are there. New, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send and publish, close. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much.